Hello and welcome to AutoCAD for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the modify section of the home panel. In this, I'm going to be showing you the command move, copy, stretch, rotate, mirror, scale, trim, fill and fillet. I'm also going to be showing you the command offset. So you can see that there are a lot of commands in the modify section. Now, before we begin, I'm just going to tell you that if you select any command from the modify section, for example move, a pointer is going to be changed to the small square. That shows that a command from modify section has been activated. To show you the first command, that is move, I'll just create a random object on screen. Say for example I have this object and I want to move it. What you can do is you can just select this command from here, or you can enter the command using the keyboard. Move. It's asking me to select the objects. I select them. I just press enter or spacebar. Well, you see AutoCAD assigns similar function to spacebar and enter, so you can use either of them. I personally prefer using the spacebar more, so I just press spacebar and it's asking me to specify the base point. Say I specify the base point as the center of this whole figure, and I can move the object wherever I want. So this is the command move. Just press escape to end the command. The next is command copy. For that, it's pretty similar to the command move. I just select it from here, or I enter it, select the objects, press enter, specify the base point. The only difference between move and copy is that copy is going to retain the original object. So you can copy this object as many times as you want. I'm just going to press Ctrl plus Z. I'm going to show you another use of the copy command. In this, I'm just going to activate the copy command again. Select this object, press enter, and I'm going to show you the command array. First, I'm going to specify the base point. I'm sorry, I just messed it up. I'll use the command copy and I'm going to specify the base point. Now I'm going to start the command array. It's asking me copy, specify second point or array. So I'm going to show you what this command array means. For that, I'm just going to press A, enter. It's asking me the number of items to array. Suppose I want 5 different copies of this particular object. I'm going to enter the number 5. So you see 5 different objects have appeared. Now the fascinating thing is that the distance between these objects is going to remain the same, which I can enter manually as, say, 5,000. So as you can see, we have the copy of the same object 5 times, equally distanced as 500. You see the distances between the base points. For example, between these were the 2 base points of the object, so the distance between the base point is going to be 500 and not the distance between the lines. So that's how the array commands work in copy.